Sunday morning coming down, our Sunday morning bike ride. Well, I woke up Sunday morning with no way to hold my head. It didn't hurt. The Advil I had for breakfast wasn't bad, so I had one more for dessert. I donned a cycling kit, grabbed my bike, and rode away. Seemed I saw the same old ghosts. I always seemed to pass along the way. People sleep in on Sunday morning. I guess most had too long a night. There's some fellows drinking on a corner. I suppose they failed to do it right. I rolled through Edisto Gardens, leaned my bike against a cypress tree. I ate some leaves of poison ivy, heard it would offer a bit of immunity. There's nothing short of dying that's half as lonesome as a sound, as a phone that I ain't got, never making a solitary sound. On a Sunday morning bike ride, Lord, I'm wishing I was stoned. There's nothing like a Sunday to make a body feel alone. On a Sunday morning bike ride, Lord, please help me as I search. Protect me from the speeding Christian, trying to find you on a pew inside a church. And it was in that sparkle city, maybe Greentown, that I rode on those dirty city streets, carrying a fairly heavy country load. I'm climbing Uptown Mountain toward Craggy Gardens, maybe Ox Creek. I might make it up to Mitchell if my mind and my legs ain't very weak. The sewers are pretty pungent with some awful smells I can't recall. There's gravel in the curve. Guess I'm pretty lucky I didn't fall. James Island's a little tricky. Soon behind me lies Sproul Avenue and East Bay. I'm crossing the Cooper River on the hill and bridge they call Wondrous Way. It's Meeting Street in Chucktown, Rosewood Avenue there in Cola City. I was Chapel Hilling in Raleigh, listening to Johhny Cash and a bit of Conway Twitty. Saturday was a race day. Looks like the boys ain't gonna be coming round. Yesterday was a long, hard ride. It's another Sunday morning coming down. There's nothing short of dying that's half as lonesome as a sound, as a phone that I ain't got, never making a solitary sound. On a Sunday morning bike ride, Lord, I'm wishing that I was stoned. There's nothing like a Sunday to make a body feel alone. On a Sunday morning bike ride, Lord, please help me as I search. Protect me from the speeding Christian, trying to find Jesus on a pew inside a church. Trying to find Jesus on a pew inside a church. That's the way some of it was. What was it, 100 years ago?